duit YouTube, conas tatu. So I'm kind of having a little bit of trouble at the moment uploading the video that I made last week or this week. I'm using the Wi-Fi on my phone to upload it via my laptop, and it's taking something like 4,600 minutes to upload a 1.2 gigabyte video. Yeah, it is. So I suppose it's kind of big. I've just set it to upload on one of the computers in the office to see if it'll go any faster. I just checked it, and the one in the office is at 3%, and when I last checked it, the one on my laptop was at 17. So we'll see what happens. We'll see who gets there first. I wonder if I upload the video to my phone and then try and upload it directly from my phone, would it go any faster? I don't know. I won't try it because I've already got 2 on the go, so we'll see what happens. Just at work at the moment, have a quick second, so I thought I'd make this video. Yeah, keep you posted. Slán fóill. Duit YouTube. Yeah, I've given up. Between my phone battery dying because I chose not to leave it plugged in because I didn't want to run the battery down by leaving it on constant charge to support the Wi-Fi. Oh. And then I had it running over in the office as well, but between just people logging on and logging off, I was getting nowhere fast, and then I couldn't log into the account, so I just nuts to this, shut the whole computer down and took out my memory key. So look, nuts to it. I'll try and upload it tomorrow when I'm in Ballyjamestuff. I have the day off tomorrow, so I might go into Ballyjamestuff and see if it's a cyber cafe or something I can get a properly good connection on and just zip it in. See what happens. If not, I'll just upload it when I get back to Dublin on Saturday. So anyway, we'll see what happens. All quiet now. Nobody in bar 2. So I almost got crucified for using that word. Can't use the Q word or the P word or anything vaguely, jinxy. So yeah, anyway, I seem to be having that effect on people. One of the guys has now gone off without his phone, and he's not back in till Thursday. So if he's not coming back for it, which I don't think he will, then he's no phone till Thursday. So I seem to be having that effect on people. People are getting slightly more absent-minded around me. I'm sure there's something I can do to fix that. We'll see what happens. Anyway, look. That's that. I'm going to cut this vlog short for today, and I'll most likely attach another vlog into it for tomorrow, and I'll get that uploaded when I get back to Dublin. Yep, Gurb Mila Mahagat Rish, agus Slán fóill Rish. Duit YouTube, conas tatu. Yeah, I just decided I'd come out on the water with one of the groups, and I was told I could go off and do my own thing if I wanted. So I decided to try and paddle from Tona, which you'll see in the other video if I ever get it uploaded, around to Crover, where we would do the water trampoline and so on. So that's Crover over there. A little bit. Now I'm gonna have to get closer. You can kind of just make it out. There. I wanted to show you that house as well. It's a lovely house you can rent. I was looking it up for when Mum and I were coming over, and yeah, it was more expensive than I wanted, but I don't know, I'm not liking the look of them clouds. I might head back. I want to see if I can get as far as Crover, but see what happens, because I have to get back too. So I just wanted to make this upload. Eventually I will get my 2-week vlog up, and well, we'll see what happens when I can actually get that up. It'll probably be Saturday now by the time I can get it up, which will be nearly 3 weeks since I actually started doing it. So oh well, look, that's the crack. I'll probably get another update or 2 done while I'm on the lake and get this put into a video and get it ready to upload. So, agus, duit So I made it as far as Crover, thankfully. Not too bad. I don't think it took me more than about 25-30 minutes max. That's if I left Tona bang on 2, which I don't think I did. It's now just after 22, I think. It doesn't say on my thingy. So I'll try and do a better edit of a view and a footage, panning view of Crover, because it's very hard to paddle with one hand and film with the other. So I've kind of drifted into the rocks as usual if you stop paddling. It's nice though. I was reasonably confident coming out. It's an onshore breeze. It's picking up a bit out further in the bay, so I'm not going to hang about too long and just stick close to the shore, avoid the rocks, and happy as Larry, happy as 2 peas in a pod. So yes, so here we go. This is where we would launch our boat or whatever, and we have barbecues and everything along here during the summer. It's lovely. Geese over to the right live in the house there. Some cygnets and swans. There was just as I was coming into the bay, there's a couple of people over there with their dogs just straight ahead of us there. And the dogs started barking at me. There was one of them in the water as well, and I was wondering would he come over to me. He didn't. He kind of just turned tail and ran, or swam as it were. Doggy paddled his way out of it. But I just kind of said, "Hi, how's it going?" and paddled on. So yeah, the sky doesn't look too good at all. Not at the back of this lens anyway. So I'm not going to hang about too much longer, and I'm going to head back over to the group, get my ride home, chill out for the evening. I've been off work now for the last day. I wasn't working yesterday. I'm off today, and I'm off tomorrow, and then the staff party is tomorrow night. Then back to Dublin on Saturday. We were supposed to be going kayaking in a lower Liffey race, but they've moved it now. They want to try and tie it in with a Scout Liffey descent or a Scout half Liffey descent. So we're kind of going, oh, well, that kind of sucks. We don't want to do that. And I don't think the Scouts want to do it either, but let's see what happens. I probably won't go paddling this weekend. I thought I was done moving, but anyway, no. So that's that. I'll take a little bit of footage when I get back to Tona, reunite with the group, and just make sure everyone knows that I'm okay. So yeah, gur míle maith go ríis. So that's where Tona is. You can kind of make out Mullameen at the back there. It's good to get back, I have to say. Nice old stretch. Lovely. Tired now. That storm didn't really blow in, but it did pick up a bit. Some nice waves, alright. I'm drifting like mad now. It's the end of the video. Gur maith agat.